Inaasahang mapapalakas pa ang relasyon ng Pilipinas at bansang the Netherlands. Ito'y matapos pagtibayin ng dalawang bansa ang kasunduan para sa pagsugpo ng smuggling sa bansa. Nagbabalik si Noel Perfecto.
Trade facilitation at anti-smuggling cooperation and coordination ang isa sa mga tema ng napagkasunduang mutual administrative assistance ng bansang Pilipinas at ng Kingdom of the Netherlands. Ito'y matapos na lagdaan ni ng Customs Chief Rufy Biazon bilang kinatawan ng Pilipinas at ni Director Hans van Bodegraven ng Directorate General for Tax and Customs Policy Legislation ng Royal Kingdom of the Netherlands. Ayon kina Commissioner Biazon at Director Bodegraven na sa pamamagitan ng kasunduan, dahil pa nito mapapalakas ang information exchanges ng dalawang bansa.
The Mutual Administrative Assistance Agreement, and it is envisioned to enhance cooperation between our two agencies in terms of information exchange, technical exchange, and of course, with regard to law enforcement, it is also part of this exchange of information. So we benefit from these kinds of cooperation because of the different aspects of customs work, which require us to liaise with our foreign counterparts.
The main interest is in our mutual interest in international trade. I think international trade is the engine, the motor, driving international well-being and welfare. So I think it's utterly important that we can promote mutually trade.
Layunin na nasabing Global Network Initiative ay para masugpo ang problema ng cross-frontier trafficking ng mga illicit goods gaya ng narcotic drugs, hazardous goods, endangered species at iba pang mga na nakamamatay. At ang pinakamahalaga sa napagkasunduan ay ang paglagay ng mga parameters para sa accurate valuation at assessment ng customs duties and taxes sa lahat ng mga kargamento na galing at palabas ng Pilipinas, gayon din sa Kingdom of the Netherlands. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfecto.